I'm Steve at the Carmichael workshop. Today I'm going to make a kitchen utensil organizer. We have these 3 containers for all of our kitchen utensils, and they're all just kind of crammed in there pretty tightly. So what I'm going to do is make a box with dividers that will occupy about the same amount of space, but hopefully give everything a little more breathing room so that we can better organize these. Before I get started, I'd like to thank Inventables for sponsoring this project. I used their Easel Pro software to design all of the parts for this organizer so that they could be cut out on the X-Carve CNC machine. But you can easily make this project with other tools as well. If you're interested in shopping for an X-Carve, or you'd just like to open my Easel Pro design, just check the video description below for my referral links. So let's take a look at my design. I've divided this project up into 4 cut jobs that show up as tabs across the bottom of the screen. In the first job, I'm going to cut the front and back pieces, and there will be 2 dados cut in each one where the sides can be glued in to make the main 4-sided box. The dados are a little wider than the thickness of the material, so the sides can be glued in. For the second cut job, I'm going to cut the base that the box will be glued onto, as well as the 2 side pieces. For the third cut job, I'm going to cut some notch divider pieces that will interlock together and sit inside the box. This will divide the box space up into 8 smaller compartments. The notches are a little wider than the thickness of the material as well. For the last cut job, I'm using some Easel Pro features to V-carve a decorative design with some text on the front show face of the box before assembly. I'm making this project out of this laminated pine panel that I bought from Home Depot. It's 6 feet long, 17¼ inches wide, and about 0.67 inches thick. I like using these panels on the CNC machine because I prefer solid wood over plywood, and it usually stays pretty flat, and also having the wider board it makes it easier for me to gang parts and cut them together on a larger board like this. So I've already cut this down into 3 sections that will fit on the CNC machine. So let's cut out this project. I painted the surface of the front piece gray, and I've loaded my 90-degree V-bit into the router. So now I'm going to carve the decoration and the text on the front. I've got everything ready for assembly. I just need to put the main box together and then apply a finish to the box and the divider pieces, and then I'm just going to drop the dividers into the box and leave them loose. That way I can change them out later if I want to make different size compartments or something. So let's finish this project up. is the finished kitchen utensil organizer. I got lucky on my design. All my measurements must have been correct because it fit together perfectly on the first try. It holds all of our kitchen utensils, and there's even space for more. How many of these things do you need anyway? Let me know in the comments down below if you have this many kitchen utensils. Thanks again to Inventables for sponsoring this project, and don't forget to check the video description below for my referral links if you'd like to open up this project design and make one yourself, or if you'd like to shop for an X-Carve. If you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.